Hi, this is Luke, and these are the features and sound of inDelay from Sound Particles. This is a multi-channel delay based on Sound Particles' 3D particles system for delay effects and sound design for both music and post-production mixers.
You caught me so deep it burns, a blistering heart it hurts. You caught me so deep it burns, a blistering heart it hurts. You caught me so deep it burns, a blistering heart it hurts.
Sound Particles has three different modes. We've got the channel mode, where you can set up delays based around the incoming audio on a per channel basis. I have colour coding so that I can see which channels I'm dealing with. And below the 3D pan positions view, I've got the time editor, so I can pull these handles around to get the effect that I want. In taps mode, I have up to 16 taps available, and I can position those accordingly. inDelay also has different feedback modes, so in a classic mode, my repeats tail off into the distance, or I can tell inDelay just to play back 4 of those repeats, for example, or to play them in different orders. The third, Particles mode, gives me lots of individual taps that are taken from snippets from the input source, and I can animate those using the buttons at the top of the GUI. And slow them down. Spread them out. Now, because inDelay is tailor-made for post-production workflows, it doesn't just support stereo, and there are a multitude of multi-channel outputs available. My project is stereo, and at the moment I have the binaural output mode selected, so if you've got headphones on, you can really hear what inDelay is doing within the stereo field. inDelay also includes different output equalization, and it includes Sound Particles air mode, so I can roll off the top end for convincing spatial effects. And for extra inspiration, inDelay also has the random button. So those are some of the features and sounds of inDelay from Sound Particles. To find out what we think about inDelay, head over to the Production Experts blog, where you can read our full expert review.